Now if you read the question carefully, they have asked about the cross product of z cross y. That's why I have written automata of z first and then y. Also states are named differently. Here I have written state names like z1 on A goes to z2, z1 on B goes to z2. In exam, if you have question related to cross product, you cannot simply jump to assume that the cross product is for intersection. But if you consider this question, then each option it has only one final state. So we can comfortably assume or consider that these cross products, they are not for union. In case of union of the languages, these transition tables would have contained 3 final states. But since there is only one final state, we can conclude they are not for union. They may be for intersection or set difference, but surely they are not for union operation. Now let's calculate the cross product first. So first state will be z1y1 and this will be initial state. Initial state of z, initial state of y, we get initial state of cross product. So transitions of z1y1, z2y1 and then z2y2. Now the other states will be z1 y2, z2 y1 and then z2 y2. Now let's consider transitions of z1 y2, z1 and y2. So z2 y2, z2 y2 and then z2 y1. Consider z2 y1, z2 y1, z1 y1 and then z1 y2. Transitions of z2 y2, z1 y2 and then z1 y1. Now if you consider this column, transitions on A for the cross product, then there is no repetition of any state. 2 1 2 2 1 1 1 2, no state is repeating. Now this is option A. Now in this column no state is repeating, in this column no state is repeating, in this column state Q has repeated, so this is not correct answer. Here also S is repeating, Q is repeating, this is not correct. Now in this column also there is no repetition of state. 2 2 2 1 1 2 1 1. So in this column no state is repeating, in this column Q is repeating, so this option is also not correct. Here S is repeating, P is repeating and here P is repeating. So these options we already have ruled out. Now we can also solve this by another method where we have to assume one transition correct and then prove that other transitions are also consistent. Let's see how to do it. We already have figured out that this option is correct, but let's see how to verify the transitions, consistency of the transitions. Now state P is z1 y1 because z1 y1 is initial state, that we are sure, and in all 4 options state P is initial state. Now in this option, if we assume this is the correct transition, we are only assuming, so we have to figure out remaining mapping. P on A goes to S, z1 y1 on A goes to z2 y1. So z2 y1 is S, S is z2 y1. Similarly R is z2 y2 and then Q is z1 y2. Now we have to check whether these 3 transitions they are consistent. So let's check these transitions. Q is Z1 Y2. Z1 Y2 is here. Now Z2 Y2 is R and Z2 Y1. Z2 Y1 is S. So RS, this transition is consistent. Now let's check this transition for R. R is Z2 Y2. Z2 Y2 is here. Z1 Y2, it is Q. Z1 Y1, it is P. QP, QP, this is consistent. Let's check S. Z2 Y1. Z2 Y1 is here. Z1 Y1. Z1 Y1 is P. Z1 Y2. Z1 Y2 is Q. PQ. PQ. This transition is consistent. So assuming these transitions are correct, these transitions are consistent. So option A is correct. Now let's disprove one. Now let's prove that some other option is not correct. So here in option B, we will assume this transition is correct and we will find some inconsistent transition. Now if we assume this is initial state, so P is Z1 Y1, so S will be Z2 Y1, S will be Z2 Y1, and then Q will be Z2 Y2, Q will be Z2 Y2, so R will be Z1 Y2. Now let's check whether these transitions are correct. Q is Z2 Y2, Z2 Y2 is here, Z1 Y1 is, Z1 Y2, Z1 Y2 is R, Z1 Y1 is P. So the transition should be Q on A goes to R, Q on B goes to P. But that is not the case over here. Q on A, Q on B should goes to P, but here Q on B is going to S. So this transition is not consistent, so this option is not correct. So this is how we should solve this problem, using only information from the options, how the states are repeated, we can figure out the correct option. In other method also, in other method we assume one transition correct and prove whether other transitions are consistent. That way also we have proven option A is correct and option B is not correct.